You want Trindon in your crib?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
We give our kids all the attention in the world that they need, but we give our dogs a lot of attention as well, and always try to make sure to include them in as many family activities as possible. Well, whether it's going on a walk,
Say hi. Good job, you're walking Kiki.
whether it's going for a drive. We want to include the dogs and make them feel like they're part of the family, because they are. They're an integral part of our family.
It's making him sneeze.
It's funny, we look like the circus with how many different moving parts we got going on a walk. But it's a lot of fun. These dogs are particularly special to us because they both have had to overcome a lot. Kennedy was living on the streets in China and in rough shape. It makes me that much more proud that she's a part of our family, just knowing how much she's been through. Odds of finding a home weren't very good. I don't want to wait and see if someone's going to give her a home, so we felt like we needed to take action.
You're a tiny little thing.
You would never know that Kennedy grew up in some of the worst conditions you could ever imagine to play in the National Football